Alright guys, so basically the main goal of the lesson today is to get a better feel of chipping. So there's multiple ways you can do it. A lot of times it's feel, but there's multiple ways to do them, but one way I'm going to show you today is the BLT, which most of you guys might know as the sandwich, but that's not it today. The BLT is what we use. I actually learned it back in school, but what the BLT consists of is you're going to keep the ball back in your stance, since we're just doing a little standard chip shot here. So you're going to keep the ball just straight up back in your stance here, and then you're going to lean a little bit forward. So it's just you can hit it any club you want. I mean, a 60 works, but mainly a lower loft works probably a little bit better. Maybe a pitching wedge or a gap wedge. So basically you can use anything though, it just depends on the amount of lean and tilt. So we're going to put it back in our stance right here. Then you're going to lean forward. That's the L, and then the tilt of the shaft right here is where you're going to get the most out of it. And that's just one, but this just shows you once you get it more on the ground, it's a lot easier to hit. It's a lot less bad can happen. Like basically, if you were here and you wanted to putt it, you could putt it, but you're going to have a better chance of just getting it on the ground early instead of hitting a flop shot, because that's what most young kids do nowadays, and that's where they come at fault. Because I mean, a lot more come into play when you're hitting a flop shot. You can either, I mean, you could chunk it or whatever, but that's not what we want to do. All we're looking for today, it's just the back in the stance, lean forward, and tilt the shaft. Just basically like that. That's all we need really today, and that's what's going to be the best and easiest way to get things done. So I hope we're going to work on that today individually, and we'll get that through.